All right, so we're getting the serial 9 shifter put on. So we removed the factory linkage over here. This guy, I'm gonna hold on to that though, because I'm probably gonna get a Z and that might be needed. This was a pain in the ass. We actually put it on backwards because we're idiots. So we had to punch the pins out. We used the factory pins. It's a brand new transmission. It's a double pin instead of a single pin. And then this was kind of hard. You have to push down on the reverse lockout to get this to go in. And then for this transmission, we're in position B all the way around with spacers and everything. It's actually a really nice product. And the shifts, woo, woo, nice, crispy, very nice. And the instructions are pretty good too. So yeah, just tighten this up and then probably gonna call it a night.
Yeah, 28 foot-pounds.
Yeah, we did enough. We got a couple other billet goodies on here. The sandwich plate for the oil and oil cooler relocation kit. We got a Greddy G-Rex. That's gonna go on there too. Coming along. Keep on trucking. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. We're gonna be potentially cutting off the front end, so